Well, hey, all, welcome. Now, I was in the market for a place to store the towels around my pool area. I was looking at shelving, I was looking at cabinets. Well, just in the nick of time, the folks at Outsunny sent me this one at no charge so that I could share with you my honest opinion. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let's have a quick look at this Outsunny Valet Towel Rack. It's got an upscale wicker style rattan look, but it's actually made of high quality polystyrene, so it is waterproof, fade resistant, and it won't rot. And as you can see, the bottom drawer is huge, large enough to hold all the pool toys, goggles, and other accessories you have. One feature I really like, especially around a pool where the ground is rarely level, is the adjustable feet. You can easily level the rack to keep it stable. The assembly instructions are easy to follow, and it even comes with the tool you need. So if you're looking for a solid, good-looking way to keep your pool towels and accessories organized, this rack is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching.